Everybody out there in the land of make-believe, this is the holier-than-hell Reverend Bark Me Laughing Wolf, submortal cheerleader to the apocalypse and diabolical minion of good. So I got my Meepo Hurricane about 3 weeks ago, put about 100 miles on it, and needed a light setup, a good light setup. I like to be seen. If you've watched my other videos, even one of them, you know, I'm all about being seen. And so I got a bunch of lights on my board. And I got Shredlights in the front. I've got iWonder in the back, and they were a little tricky to put on. So I'm just going to tell you guys, if you got a Meepo Hurricane or some other board that you need special bolts for, I got some information for you down in the description there. I got a link to the bolts that I used. I'll have links to the lights and all the other stuff, but let me just go through it real quick and show you what I got going on. Let's start in the front. Let's start in the front here. So I attached these Shredlights. These are the SL200 Shredlights. Now, if you're not familiar with Shredlights, they're a metal light with a rubberized casing. They got these little gaskets here for the charging ports. You charge them right in there, and they come off real easy with the little thing. That's it, right there. Boom, come right off there. Pop right into place. Now you can put these on the top of your board or on the bottom of your board, but I think you get them bashed up, you put them on the bottom of your board. So I put them on the top. I got on the top, on the back, on the top, on the front. And now I'm not going to go through a review of these. These are well reviewed. You can go online. You can see all the reviews. These are awesome. You can get the brighter ones. I got these. These are, I don't know what lumens they go up to, but these are the cheapest ones I could get on the Amazon. And I'm not using these to see with. A little bit. You can kind of see with these great. These are for being seen by anything that you're really putting on your board down here low, unless you got like a spotlight on here. That's, I don't even know how you aim it so you get it right on the street no matter where you, in any case, I would say that anything you put on your board, it really isn't for seeing by, it's for being seen by. So that is the reason why when I have these set up in the daytime, I run these lights with the flashy mode, right? You can't really, you can't really see it in the daytime, but you can kind of see it. It's just a little more, it's something flashy, it's something kind of moving. I just use these, hey, look at me, as a flashy thing. For seeing, I've got this Petzl. I got this Petzl headlamp. Actic, and this one I think it goes up to 300 lumens. I know they got better ones. I'll probably get a better one someday, but this is what I could afford. I spent a lot of money on this whole setup, so spoiler alert, I'm broke. Plus I just quit my job, so that's a problem. But anyway, I have this on whenever I ride, day or night. I have the light on my helmet and I have the light turned on because people are aggressive. I thought I had problems riding my bike, but on the skateboard people are even more aggressive. So I got this on, I look them right in the face, go to light right in their eyes, hopefully they see me. And then at night, this is really great. I can see with this at night, no problem. Again, probably when I can afford it, I'll get a brighter one, but this one with the 300 lumens works out okay. Okay, so I've got on the back here for my tail lights, I've got this iWonder light. It's a plastic casing, slides on and off pretty easy, like that. And again, you can mount this on the top or the bottom of your board. It's plastic. I'm not mounting it on the bottom of my board because I don't want to get it trashed up. So, and now I've ridden with this setup for a while, and I've not stepped on these. You know, they're way out of my way, so I haven't had a problem with them at all. The only thing is that if I flip the board over, these are standing up. This board sits on the lights. So, and that's why I've got some little scratchy bit up here from that. When I'm running these lights, I only run them pretty much in this flashing red and blue mode because it's super noticeable. People at a distance kind of don't know what it is. They think they know what it is and they slow down, which is nice. But you can go with white flashing, red and blue too. I think the other one was a little brighter, but I don't see much of a difference. Flashy and ultra flashy. I run it in ultra flashy. Ultra flashy mode is how I run it. So that is the light setup. Now this thing, I don't know how I was supposed to get this on. This bracket that it comes with was about as thick as this plate here, and I just ground it down. I took it on a belt sander and just sanded it down. That's the only way I could have got it on here, because it was way too tall, even for my new bolts. But yeah, I just ground it down. If it breaks, I'll get another mounting plate. But this is only like 25 bucks. The ones in the front were more around 50 bucks. And I know you can get Shredlights that are even more expensive than that. But again, yeah, maybe I'll save up for them someday. Okay, so last up I have the Orb Horn. Now, I have not used this on a ride yet, but I've wanted to. I've been on rides and I've been like, I wish I had my Orb Horn. Now, this is for bicycles, clearly. You attach this to your handlebars, but I believe that I can hold it in my hand just like this as I ride. And, oh yeah, that says that tells you that you're there. Got a little light that goes. So I just aim that right at somebody in their face. Hey, get out of my way, and that would be helpful. It's also got, you know, for a more pleasant one for the pedestrians. Hey, pedestrian, I'm coming up on you. And then there's, hey, car, get out, don't run me over. Don't run me over, car. So I like that, and it's a light. It's made to be a light. Again, I wouldn't. It's not a light to see with, but it's a great light to be seen by. It's got different flashy modes, and then you can just have it on. It still works. Still works as a horn with the lights on. And so I have not ridden with this yet, and I want to get a new one because I got a new one with a new sound, and it's out of stock. So when I get a new one, I'll be doing a review of it. But I love my Orb Horn. I have had this Orb Horn probably 7 years now, and I charge it like once every 2 months, and it's just fine. Now, if I was using it as a light, then yeah, I need to charge it more, but I just use it as a horn and rarely have to charge it. So like my Orb Horn, Orb Horn, and then it also has a what they call a remorp control, and it fits in right there. It's a wire, goes to a button. That's still on my bike, which is in the shop still, because I'm still waiting on a part. So I think that's it. That's my lighting setup. I got the Shredlights in the front, the iWonder in the back. I've got the Petzl on my head, and then the Orb Horn in my hand. And that should do it. I know there's stuff you can get for the bottom of your board with light effects that glow, and I don't want anything on the bottom of my board, really. I just think I'll bash it. Okay, folks, that's it for this video. Stay tuned for more reviews. Stay tuned for more ride videos. And, you know, when I get my e-bike back, I'll be making e-bike videos and stuff like that. I'm doing some more trail videos here coming up soon where I'm showing off the local trails. So there's all that. If you want to see any of that, like and subscribe. That is about it. So until next time, always remember, ride safe, be seen, have fun.